Hello, my little ducks. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. Today we have English lesson and together we're going to learn about new sound. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Look here. Today we're going to learn about new sound. Let's find the sound of today. Look here. What's this? Yeah, I'm hearing someone said it's a jar. Okay, let's see what's inside the jar. Wow! Look, it's the sound of today. Look here. What is letter A? And what is letter R? Together, you are making new sound R. 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 Repeat after me. When A and R comes together, you are making new sound R. R. And now, let's start to find some words that R sound. Look here. What's the sound of this letter? K. Yeah. K. And R. Together, let's read the word K. R. K. R. It will be yeah. Car. Listen. Yeah, it's the sound of the car. So how do you pronounce the word car? K. R sound. K. And R sound. Okay, another word here. J. R. J. R. Who can read it? Yeah. Jar. So this word is jar. How do you pronounce the word jar? J. R. Jar. So J. R. Jar. Okay. Another word. S. T. R. Yeah. Star. Star. So, how do you pronounce this word? Again. S. T. R. Star. Okay. Another word here. What the sound? P. Yeah, the sound P here. R. Park. Yeah, park. So what this word? One more time. Park. Yeah, how do you pronounce the word park? P. Here. P sound. R. K. Park. Okay. Another word here. R. M. Who can read it? Farm. Yeah, farm. Look here. Yeah, it's a farm. How do you pronounce the word farm? R. M. Farm. Okay. And now let's start to press more R sound. Look here. What's this? What's this? Yeah, it's a jar. How do you pronounce the word jar? Let's find the word inside. Yeah, the word is here. How do you pronounce it? J R jar. Okay, and what's this? Yeah, it's a star. Let's find the word. How do you pronounce it? R star. Okay, and what's this? It's a car. How do you pronounce the word car? R car. And look at this place. Yeah, it's a park. How do you pronounce the word park? P Park. And the last picture here, what do you think this place is what? Yeah, it's a farm. How do you pronounce the word farm? Farm. And now, the time of our session today is over. Thank you for watching me. See you next session. Goodbye.